Hello everyone, my name is Flores, student of the Salesian Polytechnic University. In this new video, we will talk about the final project of language dealing with natural language processing. Now, what is natural language processing? The natural language processing, or NLP, is a discipline that is in the intersection of several sciences such as computer science, artificial intelligence, cognitive psychology. In this central idea is a given machines to ability to read and understand the language and human speak. Uh, the purpose of the natural language processing research is another question of the people are to understand the machines um, and sentences and what people understand what's happening when I were it happened and the difference between um, assumption, belief of a fact. Um, Now, this image, you can see structure of a natural language. Now, in general, in natural processing, six level understand are used or ordered to discovering meaning for discover. The levels are phonetic level, morphological level, syntactic level, semantic level, discursive level, and paradigmatic level. Um, all the levels described separate and complement each other. The global in NLP system to include the sentence and definition in the computer and they use the same to character structure sentences with confusion we will define meaning. You can see a structure of analysis of natural language processing. Now, the application del processing. Now, the application of natural language processing, the algorithms of natural language processing are usual ways of machine learning algorithm. Instead, so manually coding large sets of rules, the NLP can rely on the machine learning to learn that rule automatic by analyzing a set of examples making of static inference. In general, the more data analysis that more accurate the model will be. This algorithm can be used in some of the following applications: summarizer text, creator chatbox, automatic generate keywords take, recognize identities, sentiment analysis. You can see architecture of a natural language processing system. Now, my project is applied into exercise documents, perform question and get answer. Now, in this part for code imports of the libraries and also process to eliminate two files which load the text with the question and sentences. You can see import very important space for use to space library and remove documents for generate um, answer and question different separate. Now, la English tokenizer we load hard dictionary on which are going to work in the case of English. Now, import to library for to read directory. Very important to read directory in this path. Now, after this file that inside are listed and will proceed to choose and text entry the document that processed to read to extract question from the sentence. You can see questions and answer. Now you can see. Now want enter load. We'll proceed to sentence the document where could age the sentences for points paste compare the sentence of blank and the eliminate theme. You can see read to document and separate for point and store in document. Now you can see to read you can see. Now the process to load the question in a document will cut each of the question the point pass compare to sentences or blank and delete the letter in the process ask to question what you want to make the repeat process in document for text. You can see uh, who is select to question for the process to get answer. You can see very important is considerate or consider start in number 0. Now you can see 1 to read 2 question for to start 0 and you proceed to analyze the text and the sum that is extract sentences by sentences compared to the choose question. The sum that the we obtain will the implementation for library space will space and within the result that process to save the argument to organize or obtain the highest score mod all that look for what player score belongs to and get it to be displayed in console. You can see to back to fourth implementation uh, question and sentences to compare it to similitude by met and extract vector aggregate result. Now to separate and obtain to answer in base of question. And you can see the answer is another name for merry-go-round in course. Call you what you like, BME name is it great fun. Com, compare high score is 0.86 similarity in question and answer. Now you can see to observe to job the program in interface graphic. For example, run. Um, you can see copy localhost and port enter to obtain to compare it uh, word by word. This will be all is this video. I hope you like it and we'll see you new video. Thanks.